Hi everyone, Chris Gibbs, Shire President for the Shire of York here. We're heading into our monthly meeting cycle and I thought that I would mention to everyone how you can be more involved with our agenda briefings and our ordinary council meetings. And I thought some people might not realise where you actually go when you come to council chambers to view the meetings. I'm between the Shire Administration office and the Town Hall. I'm at the rear stairs that go up to the second floor, which is where our council chambers are. The meetings are at 5 p.m. on the third and fourth Tuesday of every month, so the front doors to the Town Hall would be closed. So let's go upstairs and have a look at where you would go to come and view these meetings and be a part of it. So when you get to the top of the stairs, you'll find this door open when there's meetings on. Come through and have a look at where you end up. So we're now in a section of the Town Hall on the second floor and council chambers is over this way. It's worth showing this section though because we have something called an overflow system. So because the gallery, which I'll show you in a moment, only has the ability to hold about 20 to 25 people, we often use this area here for overflow, which means we would get a television and a speaker set up so extra people can sit and be part of the meetings when we have items that a lot of the community are interested in. But let's go have a look at the chambers. So here we are in council chambers, and this is where the gallery would sit if they were going to be viewing an agenda briefing or an ordinary council meeting. Now, ordinary council meetings, there's opportunities for members of the public to ask questions, and they're asked from this podium here. The microphones are used for recording purposes, but when we have an overflow situation, it's important to stay fairly close to the mic so that people outside in the other area can see what you're saying to council as well and the questions that you're asking. We do have accessibility options here as well. I'll show you where the elevators are in case the stairs are an issue for you attending an agenda briefing or an ordinary council meeting. Come and have a look. Our elevator is just here, off to the left of the top of the staircase. You simply press the button and the elevator will arrive and you can go from the bottom floor to the top floor and vice versa. Okay, so that's how you might come down and find us when we're having our agenda briefings and our ordinary council meetings on the third and fourth Tuesday of each month from 5 p.m. Thanks a lot for tuning in and I'll see you next time.